Hello, and welcome to this demonstration of the integration between Acumatica and BILL for the accounts payable features. Today, we will review the two-way sync abilities for vendors, bills, and vendor credits, or as they're known in Acumatica, debit adjustments. We will also demonstrate how the data on those bills also sync between the two systems, maximizing your effectiveness while using these two systems together. We'll first look at these vendors. I have a brand new vendor that I have created in my bill system that have some unpaid bills that haven't been created yet. Carlson Cranberry, as you can see, has not yet synced with Acumatica. I also have several bills that I've created today, one for Peterson Pears and another one for Anderson Orchard that need to sync into Acumatica. You can see that this one for Peterson Pears is scheduled to be paid and I have all the data needed. For this one, it has not yet been scheduled to pay, but I do want it to sync into my ERP. I notice that my location values, I want to just double check, and it is the right value, so I'm going to go ahead and save and close this. Now that those bills are ready, I want to verify that I've created the vendor credit that I had intended to sync into my Acumatica system, and you can see that I have an Anderson Orchard vendor credit here for $100. I also have some vendors, a vendor that's in Acumatica, Chavez Cherries, that is not in my bill system. And so I want to make sure that that also syncs over, as well as two bills and adjustments, one bill and one debit adjustment that I would like to have sync into my bill account. So I'm going to go ahead and run the sync. And while this sync is running, you can see that it's looking for all vendor credits, all bill records, and vendor credit records as well that have not synced between the two systems, and it's going to create that integration, as well as any payment records that need to sync over. So I can see that I have 13 successes in that sync, and I'm going to just double check that everything came over. So on Carlson Cranberries, you can see that it said not synced before. It now says synced, as well as me refreshing it in this vendor screen and looking for Carlson, and you can see that there it is. And as well here, I didn't have Chavez Cherries before. I now have Chavez Cherries. My vendor credits, I wanted to have one sync over for Anderson Orchard, and I now have the one from Acumatica for Chavez Cherries. And I'm just going to double check my bills and adjustments here. And I have my debit adjustment, my bill for Anderson Orchard that have come in from Bill as well. And just to confirm that I have my unpaid bills that were created today, you can also see that I have my bill from Chavez Cherries that had been created in Acumatica that is now in Bill. And then I had one payable as well, so I'm just going to check that that payable synced over. And you can see that it's this top line for Peterson Pears. And I just want to verify what it looked like in bill, $5,000 for a check. I come into this payment, and you can see that it's with a bill payment method of bill PMT. It's a payment for $5,000, and everything looks accurate. Thank you for joining us.